Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a post. This is gonna be a lot more chiller video. I'm literally sitting on the floor. I have a bunch of stuff laid out in front of me, and I thought it would be a great idea to film this video because I am going to a festival this weekend. So I wrote down 5 tips and tricks, and I'm just gonna read them and list them for you guys and tell you each tip. So tip number 1 that I want to share with you guys is know the trends. Just look up, or just like go on your Instagram, go on festivals, look at everything that's going on, go to blogs, go to videos like this, and you can figure out what the trends are right now, the hot trends that are happening. So a few of the hot trends that I know for sure that are pretty big in festival season are anything that's like fluorescent in a moment, or shiny, or like holographic. I know that has been a really big thing right now for festival season. So I just have right here these little festival they're like little, what's the word for them, little like high-waisted like undie, I don't know how to, like high-waisted like bikini kind of looking bottom. The material is really great. I got these from I Heart Raves, and if you want some clothes from I Heart Raves, don't forget that I have a code with them, KMELA16, and you can just pop in that code in your before you check out. Also, I have this cute little harness that I got, of course, again from I Heart Raves. It's kind of like that same like holographic material, and it's super cute because it goes like around your thighs and then the top, so like it's like this, and it looks super cute. I love it. Something else that I've realized that is pretty trending right now is fanny packs. It has been for a while now, 2 summers I think now, and people just love fanny packs. You want to get yourself a fanny pack. So I have a simple fanny pack here. It's a fila fanny pack, which you can wear on the side or even around your waist. So that is a good one. I also have this fanny pack that I got from Dolls Kill, and you literally just throw it over your shoulder like this, and it just like kind of just like wraps around, so it's cute. Lots of buckles, so you will definitely stand out with this one. It is black because I love black. For some reason I'm always wearing black, but it is easy to accessorize with anything else because it is black, so it is definitely a go-to for me. Another trend that is going crazy right now is definitely the bucket hats. I got this bucket hat. It's actually merch bucket hat. It's a G-Eazy merch bucket hat that I got because I love bucket hats and I've always wanted to wear bucket hats. So I have this one. Again, it's black, very easy to accessorize with everything else that you have going on and whatever. So pretty much you can wear it for festival season. Super cute. I'm very picky with my bucket hats. Like, I hate the ones that have like the really big like puff at the top of like on top of your head, like the huge puff like up to here. I want it to be close to my head and look cute and like whatever. Another trend that is going on right now, which is super like popular, I would say, is the t-shirt dress look. It's a Selena t-shirt, so another kind of merchy t-shirt for Selena. Whenever I wear this, I love wearing it because I love to rep her and, you know, keep her memory alive. But anyway, as the trend for big t-shirts, you could also wear that to festivals. It's very comfy, very like loose fitting, so you're not bothered. You don't even realize that you're wearing anything. You don't have to be moving things around, pulling things up. So if you want to wear a big t-shirt and that is your kind of like your aesthetic, you can definitely wear a big t-shirt to a festival, throw on some platforms, and call it a day. And last but not least, platforms, like platform sneakers, platform boots, like all kinds of platforms, sandals even if you want. That is a big trend that's going on. I have a few platforms, but I didn't bring them, so I'm too lazy to go get them. But yeah, they're white platform sneakers that I got from I Heart Raves. Again, shameless promo, KMELA16 for 10% off all your purchases. Use that code. Platforms are a definite go-to, a definite staple. So that's pretty much it for the whole trends tip. So if you want to look hot, know the trends. So tip number 2 pretty much is know what looks good on you. You do not want to be picking up anything that you think looks cute, spending lots of money on it. getting it, planning it out. Come day of the festival, you put it on, you don't like how it looks on you, so you don't have to be worrying about returning things, buying new things, and just stressing yourself out, because it's just not fun stressing over like festivals, something that's supposed to be fun, and just riling yourself up, like, you know, you don't want that. So tip number 3 ties in with everything for this video, but this tip is an important one. I think a lot of people kind of don't think about it or have it in mind, but tip number 3 is to pretty much save up for the festivals. Save up for what you want to wear, plan what you want to wear, save up for what you want to wear, so come the time you can buy whatever it is that you are thinking about, buy whatever it is that you like, so that way when you see a trend or see something that you like, a statement piece on Instagram, whatever, you can buy it. You do not want to be feeling left out, feeling upset that you didn't get something because you couldn't afford it, and then go to the festival, walk in all confident, all happy, and then seeing someone else wearing that thing that you wanted to get and you couldn't get it, because you're gonna get sad, you're gonna get your feelings, and you're gonna get upset about the whole situation. So just save up. Tip number 4 is to pretty much accessorize. So after you know the trends, after you saved up, and after you know what looks good on you, it comes down to the most minimal but crucial part of festivals and just any outfit, is to accessorize. You want to look good, you want to look cute, you want to stand out, you want to look hot, so make sure you are accessorizing. This accessory, it does tie in also with trends. It is what is going on right now, is the big thing that everyone is wearing and everyone is interested in right now. These silver necklaces that are almost like chain-like or big and bulky with like the locks on it. It is just a really cute like accessory. It is very bold. Everyone will be definitely looking at you, asking you where you got it. You will definitely feel hot and confident in these. Second of all, I have this cute little like funky necklace that I got from Dolls Kill. It is like a little troll necklace. It's super cute. I absolutely love it. It like, if you have any outfit and you want to spice it up a bit, but like super fast, super quickly, you just throw this on and it definitely makes you stand out from everyone. Again, I have some silver necklaces that layers on, so you want a lot of layers when it comes to silver jewelry. But yeah, I think that look is just super cute, super trendy right now, so layered silver necklaces are a definite go-to. And I have another like group of accessories that ties in with festival season, because you are going to be walking around, it's going to be sunny, it's going to be bright, so definitely you can wear some sunglasses. So these are some statement sunglasses that I got from Dolls Kill. They're like the protection sunglasses, like kind of like futuristic looking sunglasses. So if you want to look cute and hot, just get a few statement ones, that way you can always have like a cute cool one to wear for festival season. I have a bunch of them because I love sunglasses. I love how it just ties in a whole festival outfit, how it ties in the outfit in general. So like if you have a bunch of statement ones, you can go with whatever look that you're trying to go for and just feel confident and hot in your sunglasses. Because if you don't want to be bothered, wear them. If you want to look hot, wear them. So sunglasses are definitely a go-to. And last but not least, for accessories for festival season, I would say makeup. So I have a few palettes that I love that are my go-tos for festival season because they're so bright and funky. I also have this palette here that I got, I think, from Amazon, like super cheap. So if you want to get that, you can definitely go and do that. It's pretty much just sparkles and it's super sparkly, super cute, and you can just get that to add some sparkles and some pizzazz to yourself. And last but not least is the Festival palette by BH Cosmetics. It is, as the name says, ties in with festivals and festival season. So if you want to look cute, you can also get this palette. It has lots of funky colors too, lots of shimmery colors, so then you can look cute with your makeup at festivals. I love wearing makeup at festivals. It is always my go-to to make myself pop and look hot. So makeup is definitely a big go-to for accessorizing if you are into makeup. Obviously, if you aren't, then that's completely fine. So last but not least, for festival season, a definite tip that I always try to stand by and always have in my arsenal of things for festival season is to drink water. Drink water. Make sure you are drinking water up until the festival, during the festival, after the festival. Just drink water. Honestly, yes, you thirst, it quenches your thirst, but also it helps your skin to look nice and glowy and clean before the festival. You want a nice clean canvas when you're going to festival season. The week leading up to festival, drink lots and lots of water, so then that way when the festival comes around and you want to party with your friends and do whatever, you don't have to worry about drinking water on the before you go to the festival. But when you are at the festival, make sure to bring like an empty container, like an empty water bottle for water, or some money to buy water. If you know you're bougie like that and you want to spend money on water, go ahead, do that. But also remember, at the beginning of the festival, before everything gets crazy, go to the water stations. They do have free water. You can fill up the water, or just drink some water from the station and you're set. I've told you all my tips, I've told you all my tricks, I've showed you some accessories that I wear that are trending right now, that I like to wear. So if you want to have a successful, happy, hot festival weekend, hot festival summer, just use those tips and tricks, and I hope I taught you something that you can use and be happy with. If you liked any of the tips and tricks that I taught you today, leave a comment and tell me what's your favorite tip or trick that I showed you, what was the favorite accessory that I showed, and let me know what I can show you next, and leave a little like on the like button. And see you guys next time in my next video, and stay hot this summer.
Ain't I lost to your eyes, ever to your fire? Tell me where you